This training video will show you how to access and use the Barrick Purchase Order and Shipping Services Management System. This system will support all of your shipment types and requirements, including LTL, truckload, and hotshot shipments. By using the system, you will no longer have to email your purchase orders to your vendors. Your vendors will have access to your purchase orders through their own vendor portal. So let's take a look at the system and show you how to log in and access your data. When you first arrive to the system, go ahead and click on Login at the top right of the screen. Next, enter your username and password. Once you enter your username and password, select Login. Now, the first page that you're brought to is the Back Office Operations Dashboard. This dashboard will give you a high-level view of all of your shipments. For example, we have our LTL dashboard to the left, and you'll be able to see all of the different shipment statuses and the number of shipments in each status. Before we get too much into tracking and tracing, let's show you how to create a purchase order. To create a purchase order in the system, select Shipments at the top of the screen, and then select Create Domestic Standard Form. Now, once the page loads, the first thing you want to do is select your vendor. To select your vendor, simply type in the vendor name, and then select from the drop-down. Next, select the vendor, and the vendor will be assigned to the order. Go ahead and enter your purchase order, and then select the shipment type. We're going to select LTL for this shipment. For the status, we're going to use Request for Quote. Next, we have our origin and destination information. Simply mouse into the company name field and you'll be able to select the vendor address. Now, for the destination, you have a couple of options. You can ship the product to the mine or to the cross dock at Elko. Whichever one you decide, simply select the address from the drop-down and you're good to go. Next, scroll down a little bit further on the page. You'll see the accessorials section, and then your pickup information and your delivery information section. Select the pickup date from the drop-down here, and then you also have the opportunity to enter pickup instructions and delivery instructions. Now, the pickup instructions and the delivery instructions will be visible to your vendor, so it's very important that you use these fields to enter that information. Next, we have our items to ship. This is where your products are stored, so simply start typing in the first few characters of your product and you'll access the product catalog, and then select the product that you want to use. Go ahead and enter the handling and the pieces. Once that's complete, select Generate Quotes. Once you select Generate Quotes, this is going to give you all of your carrier options. Once the carrier options appear, simply review the options and select the carrier that you want to use. After you select the carrier, go ahead and select Save and View Details at the bottom of the screen, and now you're good to go. The order's been saved, and now your vendor will have access to it. Now, if this shipment has some sort of commitment it needs to make as far as needs to be there next day, or it's a hotshot shipment, something like that, we'll go ahead and select Edit Record, and let me show you how to do that type of a shipment. The main difference will be is instead of LTL, you're going to change it to Domestic Freight. Once you change it to Domestic Freight, scroll down, and under Pickup Information, you're going to have a service level to select from. Simply select the service level that you want to use. If you want it guaranteed by end of day, just go ahead and select Guaranteed End of Day, and then go ahead and select Save and View Details. Now the shipment is in a Domestic Freight shipment type, and now our operations team will be able to take it from there. Now, if this is a truckload shipment, go ahead and click on Edit Record, and then change the shipment type from Domestic Freight or LTL or whatever it was to Truckload. Now, once you change it to Truckload, you'll be able to come down to the Commodity Information section and select your trailer type. And then again, go ahead and click on Save and View Details. Now, all of the options I just showed you, LTL, Domestic Freight, and Truckload, are all available to you upon the original shipment creation point. So you don't have to create the shipment first. When you're initially creating the shipment, you can select those different options. Now, once the shipment's created and you want to find out the status of the shipment, there's a few ways you can do that. First, you can, from the back office, you can go to Shipments and click on Domestic Search, and this will give you all of your shipments for the mine. And go ahead and click on this icon here. It's the activity log. There's an activity log for every shipment. The activity log will keep an audit trail of every change that was made to the order by you or your vendor. So you'll be able to see exactly the status of the shipment and any changes made to it. You can see the activity log from this view here, or you can click on the shipment ID number, and in each shipment there's an activity log right here. Just go ahead and click on the activity log, and again it'll give you all of the details of the shipment. And that is how you log in and access the portal. If you have any questions, please go ahead and contact us. Thank you.